Hey, this is Steve with Clear New View Window Cleaning. I just finished a job up here in Castle Danger. I did the gutters. I cleaned inside and outside the gutters and all the windows and screens inside and out. They have a really nice view here. They're sparkling. Sparkle, sparkle. Got the fire going. The gutters cleaned up really good. Scrubbing the outside, they look almost like new, nice and white. Well, if you need window cleaning, give me a call. I work out of Two Harbors. The number is 651-508-7897. Again, that's 651-508-7897. Thank you for your business.